Hello wonderful people of YouTube. Today we're going to do a tutorial how to work upon green screens in Premiere Pro. It's pretty simple. So as you can see here, I have two stock videos that I've downloaded here. One contains the green screen, which is this monitor, and the second one is a beautiful video of the river flowing. Now what I want to do is I want to showcase this moving image of the river within that green screen window. So as usual, let's get on with Premiere Pro and load our videos onto the timeline. Keep the video with the green screen on top and go to effects, search for something called ultra key, drag and drop it onto the video with the green screen. Now in your FX control, you'll see this option under ultra key, an eyedropper tool. Use it, click on the green screen, and voila, it's masked. Now you can drag and arrange the image, the video below to fit to the green screen, and that's it, your video is ready. Let's do it again. This time, let's add a subscribe button to the whole video. So as you can see, I have this green screen with subscribe option there. Just like we did before, effects, ultra key, drag ultra key onto the subscribe video. Take the eyedropper tool, click on the green screen, and now all that's left is rearranging the subscribe video. Crop the edges. So to crop, we'll go to effects, we'll type in crop, we'll drag and drop it onto the video, and we should have another option called crop, yeah, there. So let's make it 3% left. Let's crop from all sides then. 3, 3, 3. Right, that makes more sense. Now it's clean. Let's rearrange, resize, put it on the corner of the screen on the right. So by the way, if you've not subscribed to the channel yet, why haven't you? Go ahead, do it. And there you have it. That's how you edit green screen on Premiere Pro. I'm sure you learned something new today. So go ahead, click that subscribe button. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I post a new video. Like this video, do comment down below, and I'll see you next time around.